feels like stepping into nature's embrace. Surrounded by lush greenery, the cafe lives up to its name, offering a warm and calming atmosphere that gently pulls you away from the noise of everyday life. As you walk into the space, you are welcomed by a beautifully designed garden filled with towering trees, small flowing streams, and a soft waterfall that creates a soothing natural soundtrack. The air feels fresh and cool, enhanced by light mist drifting through the garden, making every corner of the cafe feel relaxing and refreshing. The cafe features both outdoor and indoor seating. The outdoor area allows you to sit close to nature, where you can enjoy the sound of water and the sight of fish swimming beneath clear streams. Meanwhile, the indoor space offers a cozy, home-like atmosphere with large windows that open up to views of the surrounding greenery, perfect for those who prefer a quieter and more comfortable setting. In terms of drinks and desserts, the cafe offers a well-rounded selection, from smooth and aromatic coffee to refreshing fruit-based beverages. Each drink is crafted to complement the tranquil environment. Their homemade desserts, such as coconut cake and cheesecake, add a gentle sweetness to the experience, making it easy to sit back and enjoy the moment a little longer. Omgord Cafe is more than just a place to eat or drink. It is a space where time slows down, where you can unwind, breathe deeply, and reconnect with nature. For anyone looking for a relaxing escape near Bangkok, this cafe offers a perfect balance of comfort,